Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will share beautifully Hobby Lobby Christmas craft ideas in easy, amazing handmade creation. Hobby Lobby has many amazing Christmas decoration and these ideas are simple and fun for everyone. You can make these crafts for your home. They also look perfect for gifts. And the first idea is a small Christmas tree. Use ribbon, beads, and foam fonts. And this craft is easy and looks very elegant, and you can place it on table or shelf. The next idea is a wooden star decoration painted white, gold, and red. And add glitter to make it shine, and it will look beautiful at night. Another idea is a jute rope Christmas ornaments and wrap the rope around the cardboard. And cardboard is a circle creative and add a small bow on the top, and this is a cozy farmhouse style. You can also make a Christmas wreath. Use green leaves, pine cones, and ribbon and hang it on your front door. It will make your home look warm and festive look. A cute idea is a snowman made from wooden blocks. Paint the blocks white and draw eyes, a nose, and a small amazing and a smile, and add a small craft for a lovely look. You can make a candle holder using a glass jar and decorate it with lace and ribbon. Place an LED candle inside and creates a soft Christmas glow. Another easy craft is the bell ornaments. Use the small bells and tie them with ribbons. Hang them on the Christmas tree. They make a sweet festive decoration. And you can also create a Christmas sign. Write words like joy, peace, or Merry Christmas and paint the sign in your favorite colors. This craft is very popular. A beautiful idea is a pearl ornament. So glue small pearls on a foam balls. Add a ribbon loop to hang it, and it looks expensive but it's very easy. You can make a mini gift box decoration and wrap small boxes with colorful paper. Tie tiny bows on top. These are perfect for table decoration. Another idea is a pine cones craft. Paint the tips with white paint and it will look like snow. This craft is simple and natural. You can decorate a frame with Christmas flowers, add berries and ribbons. Place a family photo inside. It becomes a special holiday memory. A fun idea is a Santa hat ornaments. Use red felt and white cotton. This craft is very cute for children. Everyone will love it, and this craft is very amazing. You can also make a stocking decoration. Decorate with buttons and lace. Hang it on a wall or tree, and it adds a handmade touch. Another beautiful craft is a snow flag made from sticks. Paint the sticks white. Add silver glitter for sparkle. It looks lovely in any room. You can create a Christmas centerpieces. You can use candles, pine cones, and ornaments and place it on your dining table. It makes the table look festive. And simple ideas ribbon bows. Make different sizes and colors. Use them on gifts, wreaths, and trees. They are easy and very useful. You can also make a reindeer ornaments. Use wooden shapes or cardboard. Paint it brown and add a red nose. It becomes a cute Christmas craft. Another idea is a mason jar. Snow scene. Put fake snow inside the jar. Add a small tree or deer. Close the lid and display it. You can decorate a tray with Christmas items. Add candles and ornaments. And this looks perfect for coffee tables. It gives a cozy holiday feeling. A lovely craft is a fabric heart ornament. Sew or glue to fabric pieces. Fill it with cotton. Add a ribbon to hang it, and you can also make a glitter ball ornaments. Cover a foam ball with glue. Roll it in glitter. It becomes bright and festive. Another easy idea is a paper Christmas tree. Fold green paper into layers. Decorate it with stickers or stars. This is perfect for beginners. You can create a farmhouse style sign and use black and white colors. Add a small green wreath, it looks trendy and modern look. A beautiful idea is a berry wreath. Use red berries and green leaves. This craft is simple but very attractive. It looks great on doors. You can make a wooden beads, garland, string beads on a strong thread. Add tassel at the ends. It gives a stylish Christmas look. Another fun craft is a gingerbread ornament. Use felt or cardboard. Decorate with white paint. It looks sweet and festive. You can also make a Christmas lantern. Decorate a small lantern with green leaf. Add fairy lights inside. It creates a magical atmosphere. A simple idea is a star garland. Cut stars from glitter paper. Hang them on a string. This is easy and beautiful. You can make a holiday shadow box. Add small ornaments and snow. Close the frame and display it. It becomes a lovely decoration. Another idea is a candy cane craft. Use red and white ribbon. Shape it like a candy cane. Hang it on the tree, and you can decorate a small baskets with Christmas flowers. Add ribbon and pine cones. This looks beautiful near the entrance. It welcomes guests warmly. A cute craft is a penguin ornament. Use black, white, and orange paper. Add small eyes and a craft. Children enjoy these crafts a lot. You can also make a gold leaf ornament, paint and ornament ball gold. Add a shiny ribbon, it looks elegant and festive. Another easy idea is a wooden house decoration. Paint it white or brown. Add tiny windows and snow. It becomes a charming Christmas village. This Hobby Lobby Christmas craft idea are easy, affordable, and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this simple holiday decoration. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share for more daily Christmas craft ideas. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for support my channel, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my videos and give a feedback. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.